guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So, since it's Christmas is all around, so I thought why not do Christmas inspired eye look tutorial for you guys. I'm gonna show you this eye look that you can try, you can wear it and look really nice and pretty. So let's start. So for the base, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fast forward it. If you want to know in detail how I do my base, you can go and check out my other makeup videos. I'll put all the makeup video link up here or in the description box. You can go and check it out. Okay guys, so as you see, I have done a very minimal kind of base. I have not applied a lot of base, like I have not applied corrector. I have just used a little bit of foundation and concealer and little bit baking over here and there. So for the first look, it is actually inspired from this candy, the red and white color. So that is what we are going to replicate on our eyelids. It's going to be very simple. In this video, I'm going to show you the eye looks from very simple to very experimental one, but they are not like too much, so it's like wearable when you go outside. So first what I'm going to do is apply a light base eyeshadow for our eyelids. I'm going to lightly put on a orange color, not orange color, like warm orange that complements my skin. It is this one. In this I'm going to take this shade again. This will just create like an extra effect, or you can say extra depth when you put on the eyeshadow, because the art we are going to draw on the eyelid is going to be very simple, but this will act as a background for it, so we need to give it like a nice look. Okay, so once I'm done with the base, so next we're going to do the white part. What in this you can do is you can either use white eyeliner or you can use the white eyeliner that comes in a pencil crayon type, or the other thing you can do is if you have face paint, you can also use the white in that. So for this tutorial I'm using the face paint. So I recently purchased this face and body paint thing from Amazon. So if you want to buy it, I'll put the link down in the description box. You can go and check out for good good discount and everything. With this they actually gave me the brushes. So I'm gonna use the white in this one. You can also use the red one in this, but I'm thinking for something else with the red thing. So this is the first time I'm using like body paint, so I'm also trying with you guys. I've taken the brush and I'm gonna nicely load on the color. So now we are going to draw a simple eyeliner, like always you draw like a simple eyeliner. That is what we are gonna do. You can make it as thick you want or as thin you want. Okay, so now if you see, I've done a very medium, I would not say too thick or too thin, but a medium sized eyeliner. So that is how it looks. I have to do the same thing on the right eye and it's gonna be tricky, but let's hope for the best. I'm gonna do is I'm taking this red eyeliner, focus, and I got it for 75 rupees only. I'm just gonna draw like candy lines on this. My eyes are done. I'm just gonna let it dry for few minutes. I'm just gonna use my mirror. I know this looks kind of okay-ish now, but I'll add extra details now so that it brings a definition to your eyes, or it suits your eyes. Okay, so now since this has dried out a little bit, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add kajal, because I feel kajal brings definition to my eyes. I cannot go without kajal. I'm gonna add eyeliner, a black eyeliner, but I'm just gonna draw a border on my eyelid. Can you see the difference, how definition it shows. Like this one looks more defined than this one. Thin layer can make a lot of difference, especially a black color, that is a black eyeliner. Once you are done with that, this is very optional step. You can either leave it like that, or if you want to put extra drama, I am taking the red eyeshadow. This is the Makeup Revolution. So once I'm done with that, my eye looks very nice. I'm satisfied with it. Next I'm going to go on and put on other extra normal things. The first thing is blush. I have the blush, but I don't have the brush. I can't find the brush. I got the blush and the brush. Apply normal way. The next time I'm gonna apply extra highlighter. So moving on to the next eye look. So for this, what we're going to do is I'm going to do a very simple look. For those people who don't want to do like extra artwork, like extra drawings on their eyes, they can just play around with the eyeshadow. For this, I'm going to use two eyeshadows, that is the red and the green, just to give this a Christmas vibe. So as you see, I've done the green part, but I never liked my eyes without the kajal, so I'm gonna apply the kajal. Extra step, taking my highlighter and putting on the inner corner of my eye. So I'm taking the highlighter. I'm gonna spread the same color, the highlighter itself, on just like blend it over this part as well. Let's do the third eye makeup. Since I have never seen snow, I thought why not do snowflake on my eye. So this idea is actually inspired from Pinterest. This one is going to be a little different from the last two eye looks. The last two were a little simple and very quick. This one might take a little time than those two. I'm gonna make it like a sky kinda thing on my eyelid, and on that you can use a white eyeliner. I'm gonna use a white face paint and draw a snowflake. Also for this eye look, I'm not gonna go with any base. I'm gonna go all natural. I'm gonna keep my face marks like that itself. The only makeup that I'm gonna do is my eye look. I have drawn a nice snowflake on this area. On the remaining area, I'm just gonna draw a simpler form of snowflake. I have done the snowflake. I have added white kajal and then a blue kajal and then a black kajal to give like a different look. Those were the 3 Christmas inspired eye looks. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try it. Click some really cool pictures like how I did. And if you guys try these or click pictures, make sure to tag me everywhere. Send me pictures. I would love to see and give shout out. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my channel and my video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon. Give this video a like button and share with your friends. Until then, bye bye.